Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to log in multiple TikTok accounts. So if you want to log in multiple TikTok accounts, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open the TikTok app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon, then tap on the name drop down button at the top, tap on it, then tap on add account. So from here you can simply sign up for another TikTok account by just provide the phone number or probably you can also use the email, the Facebook, the Apple account, then the Gmail, or if you already have an existing account, you can tap on it, then log in into your account, and that's how you can simply add multiple accounts. Then also if you want to switch in between accounts, like maybe you have about 2 or 3 accounts being logged into your account and you want to switch in between them, tap on the drop down button right in front of your name at the top of your profile icon. Tap on it, then you will see the available of the accounts that you have before you click on the add account. Then from there you can switch in between the account, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.